My dear brothers and sisters of Northeast India, the great Mother Teresa has rightly observed, we do not need guns and bombs to bring peace. We only need love and compassion. Our fellow brothers and sisters in Manipur are presently going through a period of agony and pain. They are in the grip of violence. Every day, reports of shooting and arson are being seen in the newspapers, in the TV channels, and in social media. There are evil forces from within and from without who are fanning the flames of hatred and violence. Innocent people have become victims of such mayhem. We, as members of the Choral Evangelists Mawlai Shillong, empathize with our suffering brothers and sisters in Manipur, and we earnestly appeal to the concerned authorities to leave no stone unturned to bring back peace to this beautiful state. We vehemently appeal also to the perpetrators of this violence to realize the futility of such an inhuman act, to come to their senses and see how much harm and destruction they have brought upon their own community members, and how great a shame they have brought also to our beloved Northeast India. Remember that an eye for an eye policy will only result in a blind society. It is time to come to the negotiating table and let go our pride, hatred, and prejudice, and start to apologize to one another and forgiving each other. It is time to bury the hatchet and renew our friendship. We may be Hindus, Muslims, or Christians, but we are all basically human beings, and above all, we are all fellow Indians and Northeasterners. Manipur is shedding tears every day, but let these tears of sorrow soon become tears of joy and happiness, and let our brothers and sisters in Manipur again come to live in peace and harmony. We love you, Manipur, and our prayers are for you.
The jewel land of India, the pride and beauty of Northeast India. The hills so elegant and the plains so vast, locked up lake with her beauty overcast. It's a land of different tribes and races, since the olden days. But suddenly you got up in hate and violence. It's fratricide and genocide, my friends. Tears of Manipur, they are tears of suffering, of women and the children who are crying. Tears of Manipur, they are tears of pain and grief, of sons and husbands murdered on the streets. When will good sense prevail again? When will they stop to cause such pain? Let us not forget we are brothers. of women and children who are crying. Tears of Manipur, they are tears of pain and grief, of sons and husbands murdered on the streets. When will the sense prevail again? When will we stop to cause such pain? Let us not forget we are brothers and sisters in Northeast India.
Oh Lord, come and save our brothers and our sisters. They're crying out in pain. There's no one else they trust. The government has failed to bring order and peace. We only pray to you, oh let this violence cease. Oh Lord, to listen to the crying of the children. Behold, there's no more respect for dignity of women. Oh come heal the people infected with much hate. Oh Jesus, come and help before it's too late.
Tears of Manipur, they are tears of suffering, of women and children who are crying. Tears of Manipur, they are tears of pain and grief, of sons and husbands murdered